Hi, my name is Charles Ferrell. Everybody calls me Butch. I am the head mechanic at ESP. I maintain the Moss Point, Mississippi office. I'm the generator tech. I make sure the generators are up and running when they go down. A lot of times I'm out running back and forth from job site to job site when we have disaster areas. The most important part of my job is making sure the generators are up and running, make sure they're serviced, make sure the guys have everything that they need on their trucks. Worked for AT&T for 17 years as a field supervisor, and then I left there and become a certified welder for the Navy and started from there and just built my way up and learning construction. I've built a lot of race cars in my lifetime and built car motors and transmissions and stuff like that. I've worked on heavy equipment. Certification and expertise comes from working out in the field. Just because you go to a class or something like that don't mean you know how to do the job. How I was introduced to ESP is by a mutual friend with Brandon. My wife actually knows Brandon. I know Brandon's wife from school. We all grew up in the same neighborhoods. When I get to a job, I'm serious. I like to be at my job site early. I usually get here 45 minutes early to kind of get my mind clear. I like my peace and quiet first thing in the morning. I really don't care for people to talk to me until I get my day going. My passions is I love riding my bike. Me and my wife love to ride together. We enjoy it. We ride, a lot of times we'll leave from Mobile, Alabama and drive up to North Carolina, somewhere up here on the Rocky Mountains and just enjoy life. But personally, it motivates me, all my kids. Out of 8 kids and 13 grandkids, yeah, it's pretty motivated to get my butt out and work every day and get up. What drives me to work so hard is my mother taught me when I was young, being poor, we lived in her shop, upholstery shop for many years, that she just told me, you gotta work for everything that you get because nobody's gonna give you anything for free.